Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create abs in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined Dress to Impress, and first of all, we need to go to this area and we're going to wear this top. Okay, and then you can color it with the same color as your skin tone. Okay, I'm just going to color it this one. All right, and after that we're going to combine this top with the other items, and I'm just going to go to this location and I'm going to wear this top. Okay, for example, I'm going to color it black, and then I'm going to wear this top as well and color it black. Okay, and it will create something like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create abs in Dress to Impress. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye.